Hey guys, so I'm working on 2005 Lincoln Aviator. What I'm gonna do, what I need to do actually on this, change the brake pads, rotor, front and rear. Also, I'm going to replace the wheel bearing hub. So I'm also gonna show you how to replace your wheel bearing hub assembly. All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna have to remove this tire. It requires 19 mm socket, wrench, whatever you're using. So I'm gonna remove the tire. Then you're also gonna need 14 mm, 15 mm, and 21 mm sockets to open. I mean, what you call the brake caliper. Open and release the brake caliper bracket, and then brake caliper would be 14 mm and 15 mm. You're gonna need to remove your wheel bearing hub assembly. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get to that. Stay tuned. All right, so the wheel is off. Now this is your brake caliper. This is the bracket for the brake caliper. Now, this is the bolt, which is 14 mm to release the brake caliper. Then you have two more, if I can show you from the inside. Let me just go right there. So at the bottom, those are the one. They are 21, as you can see, this right there. So they are 21, and the other is, I can show you from the other side. 1 second. All right, guys, as you can see, the bottom one, the big nut in the middle, that's the one which is 21 mm, and right here, these three are for the wheel bearing hub assembly. Okay, so these are 15 mm. So you're gonna need 15 mm for here, 21 to release the brake caliper bracket, and at the bottom on the left corner, that's 14 mm to release the brake caliper. Okay, stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm gonna have to remove all of them quickly. Okay. All right, guys. So as you can see, I just took off the brake caliper. I put it on the left. On one of the stand. You don't want to leave it hanging, otherwise your lines can break, right? So this is the bracket, the brake caliper bracket, and this is the bolt I was talking about. It's 21 mm. All right, it's connected to this control arm, whatever. And then I'm looking for one more bolt. Oh yeah, it's actually inside, right? So those three bolts right there, it's kind of dark, but you can see two at the bottom. Those are the one for the hub assembly for 15 mm. Gonna go ahead and continue and start removing everything else. Then I want to change and replace my rotor. Then we're going to, first of course we're going to install the bearing hub assembly, and then we're gonna install our new rotor, then slide the brake pads into it. All right, okay, stay tuned. All right, guys, as you can see, so it just took off my brake caliper bracket and the rotor. So this is the bearing hub assembly, which is very bad, making a lot of loud noises. So I was like, let's replace it. So these are the three bolts right behind there. So these are 15 mm. You're just gonna have to use your, what you call the, I don't know, wrench, socket, whatever, 15 mm. And once we release this, of course there is a ABS sensor wire going all the way up in the hood area. So if you pop your hood, the connection is on the left side of the engine, and you just have to take it out, remove it, and then just install the new one. All right, guys, so I knocked out the wheel bearing. All right, so now remember I was talking about the wire for the ABS. So it's coming here and right here. This is your connection, the power. So all you want to do, just press this down from this side and unplug it. Oh, come on, sucker. Come on. All right, I'm gonna have to use my other hand and I will remove it. So now we are ready. We're gonna go ahead and get clean inside of this hub area. As you can see, this is the first time ever it's getting changed. This car is like what, like 22-year-old, 20-year-old. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear this mess and unplug the power. Then we're gonna install the new one. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys. So here's our new wheel bearing hub assembly, and we are ready to go ahead and install this. So again, this is a connection for the sensor. So I'm gonna have to connect this through, and first we're gonna have to slide. So you see, I just cleaned that up. We're gonna go ahead and slide it in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and run the wire through here. Okay, stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, guys, just to show you how the new bearing hub looks, and I have already tightened up all the way. So the sensor is also connected. So you come up and right there, so everything is good and secure. Now we're just gonna go ahead and install the brake caliper bracket, and we're gonna tighten that up all the way. Once I do that, then I'm gonna go ahead and slide in. First, I'm sorry, I forgot about it. I need to slide on the new rotor, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the caliper bracket on. All right, okay, I'll be right back. All right, guys, as you can see, I have tightened the bracket all the way. Well, I applied some grease, so ignore that. I will clean that off. So now we're gonna push the piston back. We're gonna slide the new brake pads into here, and then put the brake caliper on. Put those 14 mm bolts right here, and we are done. All right, so I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and let me know how did you do it. You had a different way, better way to do it. I would like to know that too. Thank you. All right, so now I'm at the rear wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew the brake caliper. That is right here. So this has about 10 mm bolt on it. So once you open it, the brake caliper come loose. You can slide that off. Once you slide it off, you can release your brake pads, and then slide out your worn out brake rotor. And then we're gonna slide the new one on and put the new brakes pad into it, and then we should be done. Please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'm gonna show you final picture very soon. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so took the old rotor out of here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slide this out. Oops, need both of my hands, but let's see if I can do it. Just bear with me. I'm gonna need both of my hands because I gotta slide it on. I'll be right back. All right, so the new rotor on. I just took out the brake pads. I'm gonna go ahead and push this piston back, and then slide in the new brake pads into it. So just to show you, these were the brake pads in there. Honestly, they were not that bad, but definitely they were making a vibration. So I might as well just change everything, right? So that's what we're gonna do. The last part would be just installing the brake pads, slide this back on, put the 10 mm bolt back in it, and then we are done. So this clip, just remember one thing. So the brake pads go back in this position like this, and this with the pin goes into your piston. Okay, all right, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.